Yo, good morning guys. Good morning. Yeah, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm here in Salamander Bay Shopping Square, and I just went to inside the shopping center. I bought this from Kmart. This is basically a kickboard. Yeah, because so many times already I went to the swimming pool. Yeah, I tried to swim, practice, hoping that I will instantly learn to swim, but yeah, there's no way that I can learn instantly on my own, by myself, to learn to swim. It's impossible. Yeah, I've been to the swimming pool maybe 5-6 times already. Yeah, here in the Filmora Aquatic Center. Yeah, I stay for 30 minutes and then I give up. Then come back again the other day, the next day. Yeah, I can't do it. I try to dip in the water, exhale through the nose, and then take air, blow it in the nose, take air with the mouth, blow it in the nose. Yeah, I did like that. And then this morning, yeah, I wake up early and watching on the phone how to swim, how to breathe in the water. Yeah, so I'm going to test, I'm going to try. Actually, when I was in Dubai, we have a swimming pool in our accommodation. Yeah, company accommodation, and yeah, we usually swim, but I have a pool boy, you know, the pool boy, the something like this, but we put it in the between legs for me to float. I was looking here, but they don't have. They have in the swimming pool for sale, but it's $40. That's expensive. Yeah, expensive. Oh, this one is $15. There is the kid one, which is $10. And you know, I also went to the, I bought a coffee and a donut, 2 pieces of donut. Yeah, when I was paying, one of the lady there is also working in the clinic, yeah, where I used to go before. Yeah, and yeah, when she said good morning to me, I said good morning too. And yeah, I asked, do you also work here? I said like that. Yeah, I said it's good. And then yeah, when I left, she said to me, thank you, Roberto. Yeah, she said like that. Yeah, it's good that she remember my name. That's awesome. Because you know me, I actually easily forget names. Like if I meet someone right now, she introduces herself. Yeah, after 5 minutes, I don't know already what is her name. That's how I forgot name easily. And she's actually the one who made this copy. And then she asked me also, do you want to add a little water? Because this one is long black. I said, yeah, why? What's the difference? Yeah, because this is actually my second time, or maybe third, fourth time to order long black. I usually order cappuccino. Yeah, and she asked me, do you want to add a little water? And then I asked why. To make it a little colder. I mean, because yeah, full coffee will be hot. Full long black will be hot. I think that's, yeah. And we are now here in Filmora Aquatic Center. Yeah, I'm going for swimming. I actually have swimming trunks. I don't want to use this. I'm shy to walk over there with swimming trunks. I'll be just having this shorts. Actually, I don't want to bring big towel. Yeah, what I'm going to bring is just a microfiber towel. Yeah, the good thing about this is that it is small and it's dry easily. Yeah, compared to big towel, it's going to be dry for a day. This one just a few hours and dry again already. Even in the gym, whenever I go to the gym, this is the only thing also that I use to dry my body when showering after the workout. I also have this. I also need to bring this and that kickboard. Actually, I won't be able to record, yeah, because there are other people there, and yeah, I don't want to disturb them. Yeah, so maybe in the future I'm going to show you the video. I was already in the cashier, but I realized that I don't have my wallet. I mean, I don't have my phone to pay. Whoa, look at this car, looks beautiful. Yeah, nice. It's a Wrangler, but he put some yeah, very nice. At the moment there is just one person, so I think I can record now. There is also the lifeguard, but he's very far. It's on the other side. Okay, let's go. Oh, it's very difficult to breathe. Oh my goodness, I don't know. I feel like I'm going to learn swimming, but I feel like it is going to be not very soon. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it helps somehow. Yeah, but not very big help, but it's okay. Yeah. Oh, it's cold outside here. Okay, so now I have this wet shirt and this one wet also. And it is now already 3:24. Yeah, the swimming pool will close by 4 o'clock. So I have been there for maybe 1.5 hours. I would say that I accidentally drink water. I don't know how bad is that. You know, but if you are drinking water from the, I mean, you know that it is bad water, it's automatically don't accept by the throat and you feel vomiting, you know. Also a little air, a little water in my ears. I can feel it. Oh. Okay, that's it. Oh, I actually met Stanley and Sam is the kid. Yeah, they're going to play. Actually, a lot of people over there. Yeah, mostly kids. I mean, elementary students. They're playing. I was about to cook a rice, but yeah, I don't have rice. I'm going back to the grocery to buy a rice. It is going to be full moon. Look, yeah, the moon is there. Nice. And yeah, I'm actually also tempted to buy a new rice cooker. Yeah, this one. This $25. They have rice cooker in Kmart, just $14. A 7 cup. I'm also considering the air fryer, but yeah, this is 1500 watts. Where's that? I saw it. Yeah, 1500 watts, and it's not good for my battery. I want to use the rice cooker for cooking vegetable, because my rice cooker, it's too small. It's just for rice. And look at this. This one is just yeah, this is just 368 400 watts. Oh, I just checked in YouTube that this rice cooker doesn't come with the steamer. The one in Kmart has a steamer, just $14. Yeah, I'm going to get the one in Kmart instead. And I took this right, $6.50. I'm also going to get one of these green beans at $3.90. Also just one of this red onion is $4.50 per kg. Also just 3 pieces of this tomato, it's $10.90 per kg. Oh, look at this, they have this yeah, beef strip, just $1.20. Oh, I'm going to get this one instead. Prawns, this just $2.10. Oh, I didn't notice how much I paid for it. Maybe $16. Some of the shops already closed, and outside is already dark. And it's raining. Suddenly it is raining. How come? Outside is just okay. But yeah, if you look to the other side, yeah, that's rain. And yeah, I'm going back to Kmart to get the rice cooker. Actually, I'm going to Kohl's instead, because I just checked the Kohl's website and they also have rice cooker. Also $25, but it comes with tray. The one in Kmart is too cheap, $14. This one is $25. But look at this, someone opens it already. Oh, actually I need to know how many watts is this.